Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Cambridge with Suzanne, which gives you tips on passing your C1 Advanced Cambridge exam. My name is Suzanne. I'm an English teacher from Ireland and I specialise in English exams. So today I am going to teach you some collocations and vocabulary about the topic of appearance and plastic surgery. So let's have a look. This can be a topic that can come up in your exam. So let's have a look at some vocabulary. Before I start, just to mention, as a teacher, I always tell this to my students. When you're studying for a specific topic, in this case, appearance, cosmetic surgery, you need to think about specific vocabulary that you can use. You need to think about idioms that you can maybe use for this topic, phrasal verbs, collocations, and general sentences that you can apply to the topic. It's useful to make lists of these things according to the topics, okay? So, specific vocabulary, wrinkles, and I don't need to explain this to you, I'm going to show you this. Wrinkles are little pieces of skin that go like this, that show that you're old. Many people have them on their eyes or maybe around their face in some way. Wrinkles. So these imperfections on your skin that young people do not have. Flaws are imperfections in general. A flaw is an imperfection. It can be about your appearance, but it could be about your personality, or it could be something in the furniture. So the table has a flaw. There's an imperfection in the table. But we can use it a lot to talk about our appearance. Aging. Note the pronunciation. Aging. Aging is the process of getting older. So aging is a terrible thing, or we need to accept the aging process, the process of getting older. Or many people cannot accept the aging process, or many celebrities refuse to accept that they are aging or getting older. A verb that you can use for this topic to defy, and for other topics it's quite useful, to stop. So many people try to defy the aging process. Okay, so this is a great one. We looked at aging just now. Many people try to defy or to stop the aging process. How? By using creams, by getting cosmetic surgery, by wearing makeup, etc. Just to defy or to stop the aging process. To undergo surgery. This is a nice collocation. It's a verb that you can use instead of saying to get surgery. You can say to undergo surgery. So she underwent surgery last week, which meant she had an operation in the hospital last week. Or many people are undergoing surgery to look younger. So they're getting Botox, a nose job, etc. Many people are undergoing surgery to look younger. An idiom or an expression that you can use when talking about this topic, to go under the knife. It sounds a bit strange, but when you think about it, it makes sense. To go under the knife, knife like a knife and fork that you use for eating. To go under the knife is to get surgery, because literally when you get surgery, the doctor cuts you open and does something with your body or with your face, etc. So more and more people are going under that should say under the knife, to improve their appearance, which means more and more people are getting surgery, so cosmetic surgery or plastic surgery, to improve their appearance. Some sentences finally that you can use for this topic, because as I mentioned, one thing is to learn collocations, verbs, idioms, etc., but you also need to start making lists of sentences. So two great sentences to talk about this topic. We are bombarded, which means we get a lot of information constantly, with perfect images of women, pronunciation women, on a daily basis. We are bombarded with perfect images of women on a daily basis. So this word to be bombarded with is very useful when we get lots of information. Nowadays, we are bombarded with emails, we are bombarded with advertising, etc. So we get a lot of these things. And the last sentence, the cosmetic surgery industry is booming. Booming means it's very successful. There are a lot of people who are undergoing cosmetic surgery. So the cosmetic surgery industry is booming. You could also say business is booming. If you have a company and somebody asks you, how is it going? You can say business is booming, which means it's very successful and you're making a lot of money. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Don't forget to subscribe. I also have a Facebook group where you can join and I do more videos. Have a good day.